Hello everyone. Today we are going to write cursive writing in just 7 to 8 steps. So let's get started. So the first pattern is strokes. So number 1, it is called as approach strokes. So let's start. We will just go up and down. It's like up and down, up and down. So using this approach stroke, we can write the alphabet U, V and W. This stroke pattern is called as approach stroke. Step 2 is just we have to start from up to down, just straight. And using this stroke, we can write N, M. And the step 3 is slanting strokes. Using this, we can write S, R. These are slanting strokes. Now comes the second pattern. It is called as loops. So our step 4 is roller coaster loop. Simply you have to start from here, that is up and down, up and down. That's it. And using this roller coaster, we can write E. Okay, you can say it as roller coaster. Next, step 5. You just have to start from this third line, up, down, simply up and down. That's it. And it is called as upper loop. And using this upper loop, we can write the alphabet B. Okay, this H, K, L and F. Next comes the lower loop. Step 6. You just have to up, down, up, down, up, down. That's it. And using this lower loop, you can write the alphabets J, G, Y, Z and F. You can see that in F we have used both the upper loop as well as lower loop. Now comes the third pattern called as curves. So step 7. It is called as ocean waves. You just have to write up and that. That's it. And using these, we can write the letter C and D. So this is called as ocean waves. Similarly, the next step, say step 8, you have to just write in the same way, curves, just up, down, just and using this we can write the alphabet A, O, G. You can see that in G we have used the lower loop. Then Q, then D. That's it. So we see that if we practice this 7 to 8 steps of cursive writing, we can easily write it.